Hello to everyone, welcome to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make custom buttons in your website with pure CSS. I have styled a button um, to make our work easier like this. It is a custom button uh, and it's a simple button, and other buttons, we have 4 buttons in here. Okay, we are going to style them with together. Dot button to all the styles in this button we need it. Just the different thing is that it is a teal button, and a hover button added to it. Hover hover off when we hover it, the button, the background will be transparent. Background transparent, and the color will be teal like this. The next button will have all of these styles unless the color, background color style, and it will have a different hover mode. Background transparent, color will be red or yellow, and border 2 pixel solid. What the color is. Okay, we see the changes. The color of the font will be to green like this, and the fourth button button 4 will have a different styles. Just this style, blue, no, blue, a little bit shiny. Okay, Control S. And a hover mode of background color transparent, border button 3 pixel solid, and 3 pixel solid, and the color of this and the color will be this color, like this. And we can have more buttons like the dirty on button 5 will be will have all of these styles, just the radius of it will be different. 20 pixels. Okay, yes. 18 or 19 pixels, it's enough. Yes. And it will have the transparent mode. Effect. Transparent. Color will be blue. And that's it. Thank you for supporting us, following us, and subscribing us. Don't forget to subscribe. I will have more buttons in the next videos, and have a good time.